is highly protein breakfast, fiber, healthy fats with a lot of health benefits. Thanks for watching, guys. Yummy, yummy. Bye. Let's make breakfast, yummy breakfast. Yummy, yummy breakfast. So I'm adding beans to this. I'm going to mash this. I'm going to mash everything together. I think I will use it. I'm going to use this to mash it properly. I think I'm supposed to even put it for a bigger plate, maybe a flat. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Adding onions. Pinch of salt. Little bit of olive oil. Then I will mix this together. So we are going to set this aside and move to the next step. So I'm going to add salt. Then I'll mix this. I'll whisk it really well. So I'm going to add oil. This olive oil. Wait for it to heat up. So just turning it. This is ready. So like so. Then we add the egg on top. So guys, say our breakfast, yummy, healthy fat, fiber, high protein is ready. Yummy, 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 yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye.